This old guy DIY video has to do with troubleshooting and attempting to fix an issue that a hot chick that I know has with this Yamaha 70 horse fuel injected outboard on the back of her pontoon. So she's had this boat and motor for a couple of years and it's really treated her well. But this summer, on 2 occasions, about 3 weeks apart, when she's been running the thing, all of a sudden it'll just die. And luckily I was with her both times, so I popped the back here. When I looked down at the fuel filter, there was no fuel in the filter. And then when I held the bulb in a vertical position, I could fill the line and the engine would take off again. So it seemed to me that for some reason, air was getting in this line. When I looked at it the other day, I can see this old line is cracked and weather beaten. I had put this newer line on there to the water separator from the fuel tank last year. So today I'm down here to remove this old line that ran from the filter to the motor. We'll see if that solves the problem. There's no evidence of leakage where the line meets the motor, which is what causes me to think it's this old fuel line that's the root cause. I just replaced the fuel lines from the filter to the outboard. I bought some 3/8 inch material on Amazon. It was 14 bucks for 10 feet. This stuff is rated for 300 PSI. It's designed for vehicles with fuel injectors. And this thing normally runs with 43 PSI at the engine. So I'm hoping that this product with a thicker sidewall and I believe some kind of polymer infused will result in doing a better job for this outboard. Right now I'm going to take it for a ride and just see how it feels. New fuel line on there. This thing is running about 5,200 RPMs wide open. It's not clogging at all. It sounds happy. I'll take it back around the rest of the lake. I just ran the motor for 10 minutes wide open at 5,200 RPMs. And it seemed happy and strong. It was going about 16 miles an hour. So for tonight, we're going to call this one a success. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.